Welcome back, guys, to another day trading scalping live episode. My name is Julius. Let's get right into the markets. So in the last video we sadly failed our $100,000 prop day trading challenge. So this is not a challenge anymore. Right now I'm just scalping for myself, and yeah, let's get a little bit better at the markets. As I told you in many videos, I'm not constantly profitable yet, so I want to make sure that I get there. So this is the Nasdaq as always. Let's see whether we can make some money today. The thing is, I want to try maybe a little different approach, because in the last videos I recognized that my 80 tick take profit sometimes is a little bit too much. So let's try maybe 30 ticks or something, like a little bit more of a scalping approach. So let's see if this is working right now. Always take a look at the S&P as well. So I think this might be a good entry point for a long trade. So, and I'm gonna add aggressively to this trade, and I hope that we're gonna see a long breakout. So we have a 30 tick stop loss and a 30 tick take profit, and I want to see a long breakout. So we're filled with 3 contracts right now. Let's see if this is working. Okay, I take some profits right here. Maybe this was just a little bit too early right now, but when you put in 3 contracts, it's like so fast. So right now we're $230 already in profit now. So it's really easy to get that started. Yeah. Okay, so our exit wasn't too bad actually. So right now this is really heavy scalping, guys. So this isn't some kind of hold strategy or something. Right now there's a break off, but like this retracement would have been nearly too much for my nerves. So as I told you, this is really heavy scalping, and we're just looking to really get those few ticks out of the market and then get out again. Okay, so let's see what the market is doing right here. Okay, maybe I'm gonna try another one, and we're filled with this one. Let's see what the market is doing right here. If we can get a long breakout. What is the S&P doing? Doesn't look too bad. And we're filled with the second one, third one, and now I want to see. Now there's a retracement. Unfortunate. Let's see if we can get a little pullback still. We're gonna be stopped out, guys. Unfortunate. So this one was a heavy loss. As you can tell, this is really fast scalping, fast trading, but nothing to worry about. So in my opinion, like, this sell-off isn't gonna last. In my opinion, we're gonna see higher highs. So this is what I'm looking for right now. So this is a reminder for myself that I always should wait for a little reversal before I go into the markets again. Now there is the push. So let's just try to do that. Okay, what's gonna happen here? Let's see. Let's just see. Okay, pretty huge sell-off. What is the S&P doing? Okay. Just waiting a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna try one right here. And this one isn't working. Okay, let me try again. If we can get a... No, this isn't working right now. Okay, let me see. So we're still in the short trend. Okay, let's see what happens. Now we broke those lows, so maybe I'm gonna look for short trades for now. So maybe like this. Let's see if this is working. Not yet. No, unfortunately not. Okay, let's see. So this is not an equity account, guys. I would never trade an equity account with $1,000 loss. This is just another prop trading account I have. But there's still room for us to make that loss back. Let me just wait a little bit to see if the reversal is coming. Okay guys, so I probably speed that up a little bit because like this is like really intense scalping. So right now it's a little bit slower. And so this was kind of interesting. I went long here, but I got stopped out, but then immediately did a re-entry and it worked pretty good. So now I still want to be on the long side, but I want to wait for a retracement because I don't want to be long at the tops. So I'm gonna wait for a little retracement. I put a limit order right here. And hopefully the market comes back to get us, and if not, then we're gonna wait for another opportunity. I always have the S&P in mind, and we got this huge sell-off in the S&P, and now we're getting back up there. So let's see what the Nasdaq is doing. I still think that it could be possible that the Nasdaq is gonna get us at 780. So let's see. Maybe I'm gonna move that a few ticks up, like 81. Because the market really went far away. Unfortunately, we were not filled, so we were a few ticks away, but I did not want to risk or went into the market at this point, so maybe we have to wait a little bit to find another opportunity, because now the trend changed and yeah, it's not that easy anymore. Like, it would have been better if I would have been short earlier, because right now here I was always short, but in this section not so much. And this would have been better to be short here. So maybe I'm gonna learn from that, hopefully. Okay, so this buy limit does not make sense anymore. Right now I'm more of searching for a buy limit above 92, like here. Let's see if it's getting us into the market. Now there's of course the value area low of the day. So maybe it's hard for the market to break this value area low in order to get us into the market. Of course that could be. Right now we're missing out on some pretty good long momentum, so that's kind of unfortunate. Maybe I should go in a little bit earlier. Now the volume POC is moving. Let's see if the market is still gonna get us in. Okay, I'm gonna be long right here and add to the position a little bit. Let's see. First one's in, second one's in. Gonna move the stop loss with the market. Now we're getting a little sell-off. Unfortunately we were filled. Guys, this wasn't so good, but I'm gonna search for re-entry right now, and hopefully we're still in a long trend. Let's take a look at the S&P is still moving up, I guess. The Nasdaq hopefully as well. I know that here's the super trend indicator, so okay, and we're filled. So yeah, pretty good trade. Let's see if we can get another entry. I want to end this day in a profit, of course. I don't know, this heavy scalping is like, really, we have to pay a lot of commission for that, so the profits should be really big, in my opinion. But like, this is scalping, guys. This is what you call scalping. Okay, maybe I want to try here, because the S&P is still very strong, but this is gonna be a difficult point for the Nasdaq to really break those highs. But I still think that the long momentum is pretty strong, especially if the S&P is able to really break out again. So we're filled with the third contract. Let's see if we break out. I'm gonna move the stop loss, of course, when we're filled with all of those contracts. What does the S&P do? Not very much. Unfortunately, we're stopped out. Unfortunately, guys, we were stopped out. Let's see. Yeah, the S&P wasn't really having that momentum again, so maybe we should be cautious that we don't fall back in a short scenario. Okay, let me just wait. Of course, there's immediately pushback. Let's see. Yeah, that would have been a good trade right here. This little dip in the Nasdaq stopped us out, which is kind of unfortunate. Now there's the long push I was anticipating. Let's see if we can get a reversal again. Then I'm gonna try that again. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna be long right here and hope for a push in the long direction again. Gonna move the stop loss again. We're filled with all of the contracts. Now I want to see the long push. Gain some short momentum. Come on. What is the S&P doing? Still a little bit undecided here. Come on, push up there. Push up there, come on. No, I don't like this. I don't like this too much right now. Maybe I'm a little bit too impatient with my scalping. Because now there's the push. Yeah, maybe I'm a little bit too impatient. Of course I have to learn a lot. So there's the push. Just 5 seconds later. I try to take that long push because I think that maybe we're gonna be really going fast through the zone because the sell-off was pretty fast as well here. So maybe the reversal is gonna be fast as well. Those are my thoughts right now. Gonna move the stop loss. I'm always ready to close the trade. Now there's a little shift in momentum. Don't like that. Come on. Doesn't look too good, guys. Okay, I took some profits. Okay, now there's the push. Unfortunate. Now there is the push that I was anticipating. Now we have to be really a little bit cautious in which direction the market is gonna go. In this area, it's not that clear anymore to me. Because like this is the area where this big sell-off began. So we have like this little head and shoulders pattern right here. We can show that to you. Give me this nice pink color. So we have like this big sell-off and then yeah, we have this perfect head and shoulders pattern. But now we have to be a little bit cautious in which direction we can go. So give me a retest of this area and I may try a short trade, but like the momentum is of course still very much long. It's a question of what's gonna happen. Let's just wait a little bit. I don't have to be in the market in the first move. Like I want to see a retest and then maybe I can try something, okay? Okay, this is a little retest. Okay, we're gonna be stopped out on this one. Probably. Okay, we're filled a little bit and there's a little immediately pushback maybe. This is very tricky right now. And I'm out. And I'm out. This is really, you have to be very careful. Because this is still a zone where anything can happen. Did not want to risk that. Maybe this would be a better idea. Okay, filled with the first one. Or two contracts. Come on, give me a push to the downside. Or are we still in the long trend? I don't know. What does the S&P do? Hard to tell. Could be still long. Really hard to tell in which direction the push is gonna move. Let's see. Let's just wait a little bit. Okay, we're filled with another contract. Here's the Nasdaq actually. So we want to see a push at least to this area. I'm gonna take that actually, guys. Gonna take that right here. And now there's the big push. Okay, we're not too bad right now actually. We are not too bad right now with our trading. Now this could actually go into a short trend again. But first of all, I just want to see retracements before I enter a trade. But right now we're pretty in a good flow. So no more losses right now. We're pretty much break even from our first big losses right here. We made some good long trends and then a good short trend here. Trade, I mean. And yeah, now only profits to come. So let's see if I can claim some profits here. Okay. So this is the interesting part. Because right now we're in between those two zones. We had a pretty decent sell-off and I knew that the sell-off would come. So I did not knew that, but I thought that it would come. You know what? I'm long here. I'm long here. Don't know why. Just a gut feeling right now. We're only in with one contract, so if we're stopped out, that's not too bad. Yeah, probably we're gonna be stopped out. Unfortunate. I really don't want to be long on the whole move down right now, but I have it, like, I think that we may see a long move again. Don't you think? I think so. Maybe this one's a little reversal. Only in with a maximum of 3 contracts on this one. And if this is not working, then I should be really careful with the longs. Okay, we're filled here. Come on, give me a little push. And immediately reversal. Come on. Come on, push those highs. No. We really need to see some long momentum for this to work. Maybe now. Come on. Some buyers. We need some buyers. What is the S&P doing? Reversed a little bit. Still interesting. Still nothing's decided yet. But maybe soon. No. Know what? I'm out here. I'm out right here. I think this may gonna break. Hard to tell. So it broke a little bit actually. So my exit wasn't too bad. I'm not decided yet. Right now there is a little long push. There it is. Guys, what shall we do? Is this still a long trend? Is this a short trend? What is this mess? Maybe I'm gonna try shorting this one. So my long reversal, I was sadly stopped out here. So maybe this short trend is still intact. Let's see, we're only in with one contract, so nothing huge. Okay, filled with the second one. Doesn't look too good. What's the S&P doing? S&P searching for new lows. Let's look at the footprint. We have a cluster right here. And right now we're in a bullish momentum again, which is not good for us. Like the correlation between the S&P and the Nasdaq is always very important. So we're filled with the third one. Moving the stop loss a little bit. Don't want to risk too much. Immediately pushback of the bulls. Oh, very unfortunate. Come on. Very unfortunate. What is this candle here? Come on, push a little lower. Okay. We're a little in profit. Not that much. Difficult phase right here. Very difficult. Don't really know. Oh man, big pullback. Big pullback. And we're in with 4 contracts. That's bad. That is bad. Maybe right now. Yes, nice. So we're actually in profit again with $300. Because this was a really good trade. This was a really good trade. There is the big sell-off. I thought it would come. I definitely thought that this bad boy would come. So now we have a little time to relax, guys, and think about all the beautiful things we want to think about. So we're back at those lows again. I can imagine actually that the market... Let me draw that for you real quick. I'm gonna take a little pause right here. So we had like this big movement, and it was also yesterday with the FOMC meeting. Then we had those big candles, pretty strong signal for shorts. This reversal, and I anticipated the reversal, and then I thought, okay, maybe this is gonna come back down, and I can really imagine that we trading down here into this accumulation zone. Okay. Can imagine that. So, oh, what a sell-off in the Nasdaq today. Crazy trading day today. Really. And we're only $300 up because I messed so much at first, because I did not want to acknowledge that maybe this is a short trend right here. So I searched for the longs. And we're unfortunately stopped out a lot. Okay, now we're back. The bulls are back. What does that mean, guys? What does that mean? Are we seeing just a little pullback? Or is this something bigger? Who knows? I don't know. I don't know. So for a short entry, maybe I would wait for the super trend indicator to be hit. Because sometimes it works. But I really have to be sure that we're gonna see new lows again. So maybe I'm gonna put a sell stop underneath this candle. Yeah, but kind of this still looks a little short to me. Okay. Actually in a short position right now. Let's see if we can get a little sell-off. Not right now. Not right now. What is the S&P doing? Yeah, still in this long retracement. Same as Nasdaq. And we're gonna be stopped out probably. Yeah, pretty close. Pretty close. Now some sellers in. Okay, first one filled. Little pullback. Let's see what the second one... Come on. Now I want to see a sell-off. Now this would be a good time for a sell-off. Guys. He actually collected this one contract and then made the pullback. Nah, this is not good. This wasn't so good. So our profit is like vanished. Don't you think it would be time for the short trend to be intact again? Don't you think that? I really don't know what this is. I really don't know. Let me try this one again. Could be risky. Come on. For me, this could be still short. Difficult. Filled, filled, filled. Filled. And I want to see a push. Not yet. And I'm out. And I'm out. Took a little too long. For my taste. Took a little too long. Now here it comes. Unfortunate. Okay, you know what? I'm long here. Let's see. Maybe a little bit too early. There's still the short push I anticipated. Now I want to see a push to those highs again. Really quick push. That would be nice. Still only in with one contract, so no big deal. Now we're in with two. Now we're in with three. And... Come on. Come on, not yet. Don't give me that. Please, come on. Yeah. You know what, I'm gonna take it. Now, those trades are a little too... Yeah. Too little profit right now. Too little profit. But our exit wasn't too bad. So, like, this is... Right now, the market is in, like, a phase where it's not that easy to tell in which direction it's gonna move. Okay. Okay. And... Nice trade. Nice trade, guys. This was a good trade. This was a really good trade. I did right there. Maybe one good trade and then I'm satisfied, I guess. But I really don't know in which direction the market's gonna move from here. I really don't. Okay, little upward spike. Now there's a retest and I'm long. Come on. First one in. Second one in. Come on, give me the move. Some sellers in. Getting absorbed by the buyers. Still getting absorbed. Come on. This is not a very good sign. Okay, I probably should leave this because the S&P is like really in a short momentum. So the entry wasn't the best. Okay, now there's time. Come on, give me this. This one has to work. First one. Second one. And I'm out. Okay guys, maybe this is it for today. We're in a profit of $845, so that's way better than we actually ever did in the prop trading challenge. So I think I'm gonna leave that for today as it is. Wow, this was like 1 hour. Probably for you it's way less because I'm gonna cut it down a little bit, but this was like 1 hour of pure work. Scalping isn't laying back and watching the markets hit your stop loss or take profit. This is like work your ass off. We were down, I don't know, I the last time I looked I was down 1,200 or something. Maybe it was even $1,500. We made it all back. This was mostly because in this downwards move, I was long right here for like the most part. Here again, here with a big contract. This was like the worst thing. Okay, this was my mistake. Then we were down a lot and then I made that all back with those little scalps. What I did wrong was in the first few scalps, I did not wait for the market to get really close to my take profit. I took profits a little too early in several occasions, but then I got better with it. I really got warmed up. I was in the flow, and then we had smaller losses and bigger profits. And that was the reason why I could recover from this big drawdown, and we made a pretty decent profit. As I told you, this is not my equity money. I probably would not be in a drawdown of $1,500 in my own equity money. This is another prop trading account I had lying around, which I'm gonna use for those scalping videos. So this is not a demo account. This is real money that matters to me. I want to use that prop trading account for withdrawing money to my personal account. Okay, so this is money that exists. This is real money. This is money that matters. But it's not my equity money, okay? I just want to be clear with you. The most important thing in this on this channel is that I'm being honest with you. There are so many scammers out here in the trading community, and I really want to whitewash a little bit this industry. I want to show you that there can be honest traders, and from honesty, that includes that I have to tell you that I'm not constantly profitable. As you saw, I had a drawdown of maybe $1,300, $1,500, and I want to be honest with you with that, okay? But a good thing that we can end that on a positive note with $845. So yeah, that's the thing I want to do with this channel. I want to show you honest trading. I don't want to scam you. I don't want to sell you anything. It's just free content where I'm gonna do my trades, where I'm scalping, where I try those challenges. In the future, we'll definitely see another prop trading challenge where I try to win the challenge to get funded. So if you loved the last challenge, make sure you subscribe to the channel. But I think today was like the most intense video of all of my previous videos. This was like really intense. So if you enjoyed the video and had fun watching it, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, okay? This means so much to me. This is more than enough. This is free content, so just leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it very, very much. Thank you guys for your support. Hope you liked the video. Write down in the comments what you thought about my really furious scalping attempts. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.